Hello and welcome to the Tech and Gadget news. The PLAUD NotePin is a wearable AI-powered device designed for automatic note-taking. It records and transcribes conversations or meetings in real time, making it ideal for professionals who need to capture important information on the go. The NotePin uses advanced AI to summarize discussions and can store a significant amount of data. While useful for productivity, concerns about privacy and data security arise since recordings are stored on the device and cloud. It's priced at $169 with a subscription for advanced features. 11 Labs has launched its Reader app globally, allowing users to convert written text into speech in 32 languages. The app can read various text formats like articles, PDFs, and ebooks. Users can select from hundreds of AI-generated voices, including some famous actors' voices like James Dean and Sir Laurence Olivier. The app is available on both Android and iOS. It uses advanced technology to make the voices sound more human-like, reducing delays during the speech process. The app's main competitor is Speechify, which offers additional features like document scanning and voice cloning. Samsung's new feature, Smartthings Family Care, helps families monitor the well-being of their loved ones, especially seniors. It integrates with various Smartthings devices to track daily routines and detect unusual behavior, like missed meals or extended inactivity. The app sends real-time alert to caregivers, enabling them to respond quickly if something seems wrong. It's designed to support aging in place by providing a peace of mind to both users and their families. The service is expected to be available later this year. Sony is launching a new cryptocurrency exchange called S.Blox in Japan. This exchange comes after Sony acquired the Japanese platform Whalefin in 2023, which was originally known as Coldcard before a previous acquisition by Amber Group. S.Blox is being rebranded with a fresh user interface and a mobile app to enhance user experience. Sony aims to expand the exchange's offerings by supporting a wider range of cryptocurrencies and leveraging its collaborations across various Sony Group businesses. The move marks Sony's serious entry into crypto space, building on prior smaller investments in Web3 companies. Bang & Olufson has released the Beoplay H100 headphones, priced at a premium $1,549. These luxury headphones boast high-quality sound and are crafted with top-grade materials. Designed for audiophiles and luxury consumers, they feature advanced noise cancellation and customizable sound profiles. The price reflects the brand's focus on high-end audio experiences and design. The Coldcard Q is a newly released hardware wallet designed for Bitcoin users, offering advanced features that improve security and usability compared to earlier models like the Coldcard Mark IV. The QWERTY keyboard allows for easier input of long passphrases, especially helpful for advanced security features like BIP39 passphrases. The Coldcard Q features a 3.2-inch LCD screen, allowing for clearer navigation and transaction review. It includes 2 microSD card slots, making it more flexible for data storage and backup. For easier transactions, it has built-in QR code scanner and NFC. USB and NFC communication can also be disabled for increased security. It runs on 3 AAA batteries or via USB-C, keeping it versatile in terms of power supply, especially when air-gapped for maximum security. Like previous Coldcard models, the Q also retains features such as duress pins and secure elements from multiple manufacturers for added protection. These features make it suitable for users who prioritize privacy and security when managing their Bitcoin funds. Sony's MDR-m1 studio headphones are an upgraded version of the MDR-7506, popular in professional studios for decades. The MDR-m1 offers enhanced sound quality with its 40mm drivers, delivering a wide frequency response from 5 Hz to 80,000 Hz. This gives a more detailed and accurate sound for professionals working on music production, editing, or other audio tasks. Comfort has been improved with softer replaceable ear pads and a lighter overall weight, making the MDR-m1 suitable for long recording sessions. These headphones also reduce noise leakage with a closed-back design, helping users focus in noisy environments. Additionally, they come with 2 detachable cables for different lengths, offering flexibility for different uses, whether in the studio or on the go. Priced at $249, the MDR-m1 marks a significant upgrade over the MDR-7506, which is still available for around $96. This new model aims to meet the evolving needs for content creators and studio professionals. The DJI Neo is a lightweight, affordable drone priced at under $200, designed to be both user-friendly and capable. Weighing just 135 grams, it features a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second and has a half-inch sensor. The Neo is ideal for beginners thanks to its ease of use and pre-programmed smart shot modes including follow, drone, circle, rocket and more. It can fly for up to 18 minutes per charge and includes 22 GB of internal storage for video, which holds about 40 minutes of 4K footage. Though it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, it comes with propeller guards for safe indoor use. Additionally, it introduces voice control, allowing users to launch and command the drone hands-free. While the drone can be flown using a smartphone, it also supports DJI's controllers and FPV gear for more advanced control, providing flexibility for various flying styles. The Neo is particularly suited for light wind conditions and is a great option for beginners or casual users looking for an inexpensive feature-packed drone. For more advanced users, it also offers manual controls with additional DJI accessories, and its small size makes it ideal for tight spaces. Several Swiss cantonal banks have introduced cryptocurrency services allowing customers to hold and trade Bitcoin. Among the most notable is Zurcher Kantonal Bank, Switzerland's 4th largest bank, which launched crypto trading and custody services for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Zurcher Kantonal Bank offering integrates with its e-banking and mobile platforms, letting customers securely manage their cryptocurrency holdings without needing external wallets. The bank ensures the safe storage of private keys and offers 24/7 trading. Another bank, Zurcher Kantonal Bank, partners with SEBA Bank to offer similar services. This expansion shows a growing trend in Switzerland's financial sector toward embracing cryptocurrencies. That was it for this week's Tech and Gadget news. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next week.